Welcome back. This video shows how to fix the Google Play Store missing on Android phones quickly and restore it within minutes. If the Play Store icon disappears, don't worry, it's usually caused by hidden settings or disabled apps and can be solved easily. First, check whether the Play Store has been hidden on your device. On Samsung phones running One UI, apps can be hidden from both the home screen and app drawer. To check this, long press an empty area on your home screen until the settings menu appears. Tap settings, then go to hide apps on home and apps screens. Inside this menu, look at the hidden apps section at the top of the screen. If you see Google Play Store listed there, it means it has been hidden. Tap the minus icon next to it to unhide it. After that, press done to save your changes and return to the home screen. The Play Store icon should now appear again in your app list and be fully accessible like before. If the Play Store is still missing, it may have been disabled in system settings. Open the Settings app on your phone and go to Apps. From the list, scroll or search for Google Play Store. Tap on it to open the app info page. At the bottom, check if there is an Enable button. If you see it, tap Enable to turn the app back on. When an app is disabled, it disappears from your app drawer and won't show up in searches, so enabling it restores full access and functionality. If it shows disable instead, that means it is already active and working normally. After completing these steps, restart your phone if needed and check the app drawer again. In most cases, the Google Play Store will be restored instantly. This method works on most Samsung and Android devices and is an easy fix for missing system apps without needing any technical tools or factory reset.